If you just got your brand new S26 Ultra or S26 series of phone and you hate the new split swipe down system where one side is notifications, the other side is settings, just swipe down on settings, tap on the pencil icon, and then tap on panel settings in the top left, and then switch it from separate to together. Once you do that, wherever you swipe down from, you're going to see both your settings and your notifications without any type of issues. What you can also do is swipe down from the top and then swipe down again, tap on the pencil icon, go back into panel settings, and you can also go ahead and click the option to always show brightness along with showing the device control and media output buttons. And if there's any settings you can't figure out, let me know in the comments down below. I'll see if I can help out. You may also be interested in this video where I show you how you can set kind of custom sounds for different apps so you know exactly which app is sending you an alert. Maybe consider liking and subscribing. I'm always making these kind of settings videos, and maybe consider checking out some of my S26 Ultra case review content as well. But I really hope to see you in my next video soon.